Guangdong Qisheng Machinery Company Limited, located in Foshan, Guangdong Province. Owning 2,000 square meters workshop, we are a supplier of multifunctional packaging machine, horizontal pillow packing machine, food packing machine, intelligent quantitative automatic feeding systems in China. We offer OEM services to solve your packing problems, improve efficiency, and achieve a win-win situation. Affiliated companies have 7 years manufacturing experience in packaging machinery. Our professional technology R&D team and after-sales team have won the trust of customers. We always adhere to the business principles of talent-oriented and honest business and provide enterprises with all-round solutions. Our products were exported to over 36 countries, such as America, Canada, Singapore. We insist the guideline of technology innovation, quality first, stable development, honest, and trustworthy. Choose us in sales, pre-sales, and after-sales in one step. To improve efficiency and reduce labor for your business is our eternal goal. Affiliated companies have independent machining workshops, sheet metal workshops, independent quality control, strict supervision, fast delivery, form an integrated workshop, introduce the electronic components from outstanding manufacturers such as Panasonic, Schneider, Siemens. Guangdong Qisheng Machinery Company Limited are an excellent enterprise in China's automatic packaging machinery industry. We taking the International Quality Management System as standard, provide customers with reliable products and perfect services as always. We develop together with customers and create good performance. Welcome to visit and guide.